Today I'm going to show you how to apply magnetic lashes to mature-aged eyes without feeling super frustrated. So if you'd like to know more, please keep watching. Hi, I'm Shelley. This is Fabulous 50s, a lifestyle channel that celebrates women in their 50s. And if you're over 50, click subscribe and click the bell and you'll get a new video every week about something to do with women in our age group. Today I'm going to talk about magnetic lashes, and so many people are very frustrated at our age because they're so delicate and fine and hard to see and difficult to apply. It looks so easy when you see the young girls on YouTube doing it. So I'm going to show you how to do it today. Also, at the end of the video, I've got a giveaway. I'm really excited. I have a bottle of Perfect Hydrolysed Collagen to give away to one of you because the founder of this company saw my YouTube video, this one here, and said, here you go, this is for one of your viewers. So wait till the end and I'll tell you about that. This is the lashes, 1-2 lashes. I have found that this is way easier for me to apply, and it's perfect for someone who can't see without glasses. I use reading glasses, but trying magnetic lashes without being able to see them is almost impossible. This is what they look like in the pack. There's two pairs here. There's a top left and a bottom left, and a top right and a bottom right. But here's the thing. You can hardly see them. They're delicate and they're fine. Compared to normal lashes, this is a normal eyelash that you apply with glue. Compared to this one, which is a tiny little delicate lash. Can you see how tiny and delicate they are? This is where the problem comes in, because as you're getting older, it's harder to see. Crazy, I know, but true. Putting on a normal lash with glue is still fiddly and difficult, but because it's more solid, it's kind of easier until now. I'll show you why. 1-2 lashes have got a little plastic applicator, and the applicator is really easy to use, and it's perfect if you need glasses, because you can put your glasses on and see what you're supposed to be seeing, because one of these lashes, the bottom lash, has a little red dot, and you put the little red dot facing upwards to connect with the top lash. So you sandwich the two lashes together, click them in, the magnetics connect, and you've got perfect lashes that stay on for a long time. But here's the thing, the dot is so small and you can't see the dot without your glasses. So this is the perfect solution, because you can put your glasses on, and I'll show you what to do. Get this so that it's sitting upright. You get the top left lash. With your glasses on, you can see that there's two sides to this lash. One side, the magnet is stuck to the bottom, and on the other side, you can tell it's more smooth. So the smoother side is what will go on top of your eyelash, and that's what you'll be able to see. Put the tweezers as you would so that would fit the curve of your eye. So the curve goes where your curve is. You take the top lash and you feed the lash into the magnet, and the magnet that's exposed, where you can feel the little lump, that goes on the bottom. And then your bottom lash with the red dot faces up. Okay, so the little red dot is facing up. The eyelashes are fed into the curve, and then you go ahead and apply. You can't have your glasses on because that would be impossible. And go ahead and see if you can click them in. Okay, so this eye's done and it makes a big difference. This is not easy. You have to practice it and it's kind of fiddly, but rather than just not use them because you can't see and they're really difficult, try this little thing because it does help. You probably need 2 or 3 practices before you understand how to do it, but they look really natural. This side's been applied with the applicator, which is great if you need glasses. I'll apply the other side just the normal way, but you'll still need your glasses. So this is top right, and then you'll just place it on top like that, and then you'll get your bottom right. Best thing to do while you have your glasses on is to set these out so they're sitting up the right way. I'm putting the bottom one on, and then you just click them in. Look at the results. It's so great. This is before mascara, with magnetic eyelashes. So here's the good thing about these lashes. They're not heavy. When you're wearing the normal eyelashes, you can feel the glue and the heaviness on your eyelashes. It's uncomfortable and you've got to keep opening your eyes, it feels like, to make yourself feel normal after a while. And also with the glue, if you put them on a little bit wrong and you've got to peel them off and put them on again, I don't like that. This is just easy. You've got to master it and practice it. It's like anything. Once you've practiced it, 2 seconds, and you can wear them with some mascara to get the look that I've got now, or if you're just going out just without much makeup that day, you can just put them on top of your eyelashes and it just looks like you've got eyelash extensions. If you've tried some other brands and they didn't work for you, give these a try. I think they're worth the money because you can keep wearing them over and over again. If you have mascara, it gives you a really nice big eye and you're lifting your eye. So at our age, everything we lift looks better on us. And the darkness of your eyelashes coming up is able to sort of hide that hooded part of your eye, so it disguises it, which is great. These sell online, 1-2 Lash, and I live in Australia and they came to me in probably 10 days. That was nice and easy and I'm excited that I have them now. Also, leave your comments if you've found an inexpensive brand of magnetic eyelashes that work perfectly on mature eyes, because we can all learn from each other. If you want to make your eyes really pop and stand out, check out my other video about how to make the color of your eye pop and combine it with these eyelashes and you'll be in for a treat. It's just fun to play with. By the way, if you click on one of these little suggested videos, you can watch it and come straight back to this one and finish this one off. So I have a giveaway for you today and I'm excited to say that Perfect Supplements here in Australia, who I buy quite a few supplements from, they saw my video on how to make your hair thicker as you're getting older. And this is one of the products that I suggested that you use because it makes a big difference to my hair, and they've reached out and offered a hydrolyzed collagen for me to give to one of my viewers. If you would like to win this and I can send it to you, please leave a comment below and let me know why you think it would be great for you to try. Unfortunately, it's for ladies in Australia only, so I'm sorry that it can't go widespread, but still, it's wonderful. Thank you, Perfect Supplements. Thank you so much for watching. Give these a try. I think you'll be happy. Practice, 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 and have a great day, and I'll see you next week.